Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Calculate the mass percentage of aspirin in acetonitrile when 6.5 gram of aspirin is dissolved in 450 gram of acetonitrile. It is a straight question. If you know the equation of mass percentage, you can directly do this. What is the equation? Mass percentage of a component is equal to mass of the component by total mass into 100. Okay, so here what is the component or what is the solute here? It is aspirin, right? And what is the mass? Mass is 6.5 gram. So 6.5 by total mass. Total mass means what? Mass of the solute plus mass of the solvent. Solvent is what? See, acetonitrile 450 into 100 percentage. Okay, so you will be getting 6.5 by 456.5 into 100 percentage. On calculating, you will get 1.42 percentage. Hope you understand.